This beautiful and unique gadget is very useful and helpful in kitchen and bath. Its price is under 267 Pakistani rupees. It's easy to use and it's available in different colors. Easy to refill. Want to buy this? See my link in my bio.